Stop losing trades because of fake breakouts. On the 15 minutes time frame, this chart shows how smart money traps beginners before the real move starts. First, price changes character and breaks structure, telling us the trend is shifting. Then it creates inducement, attracting buyers and sellers into the wrong positions. Price returns to a mitigated point of interest where institutions place orders. After that, a lower time frame change of character confirms the sell. Finally, price sweeps sell-side liquidity with a strong bearish move. This is not random movement. This is liquidity engineering. Learn to wait for confirmation, not emotion. Before the big drop happened, the market gave a clear warning. At the left side of the chart, price was moving upward, creating higher highs and higher lows. Buyers were in control and momentum was bullish. Then something important happened. Price failed to create a new higher high and instead broke below the previous higher low. This moment is called change of character. It simply means control shifts from buyers to sellers. It is the first signal that the trend may reverse. In this chart, that break showed that buying pressure was weakening and selling pressure was increasing. Many beginners ignore this signal and continue buying because price was bullish before. But smart traders pay attention to this shift. Change of character does not mean enter immediately. It means prepare for a possible new direction. It is the market saying the previous trend is losing strength. If you understand this early shift, you stop trading the old trend and start looking for opportunities in the new direction. After the change of character, the market gave stronger confirmation. Price pushed downward and broke below a previous significant low. This move is called break of structure. Break of structure means the market has officially shifted direction. Before this moment, buyers were trying to hold control. When that low was broken, sellers proved they were stronger. This is not just a small pullback. It is a clear structural break showing that the trend is now bearish. In the chart, once that key low was taken out, the market started respecting lower highs and lower lows. For beginners, think of break of structure as confirmation. Change of character gives the warning. Break of structure gives the proof. It tells you that the market is no longer moving randomly. It is building a new trend in the opposite direction. When you understand this concept, you stop guessing and start following structure. After the break of structure, price does not continue falling immediately. It pulls back toward a specific area where strong selling started before. That area is called a point of interest. When this zone has not been revisited since the strong move began, it is called an unmitigated point of interest. Unmitigated simply means price has not returned to that area to fill remaining institutional orders. In the chart, the strong bearish move started from a clear supply zone. Price left quickly, which tells us large orders were placed there. Since price did not come back right away, some orders may still be waiting. Smart traders watch this area carefully. Instead of selling randomly, they wait for price to return to this zone. When price reaches the unmitigated point of interest and shows weakness, it creates a higher probability selling opportunity. After price returned to the point of interest, we did not enter immediately. We waited for confirmation on a lower time frame. On the higher time frame, the market was already bearish, but on the lower time frame, price was still moving upward during the pullback. Then the shift happened. Price stopped making higher highs and broke below a recent higher low on the lower time frame. This moment is called low time frame change of character. It shows that the temporary upward pullback has ended. Sellers are stepping back in with strength. In the chart, this signal appeared right after price tapped into the supply zone. That is important because it connects location with confirmation. For beginners, think of it this way. The higher time frame gives direction. The lower time frame gives entry timing. When you see a low time frame change of character inside a strong selling zone, it increases the probability that the bigger bearish move is about to continue. After the break of structure, price did not drop straight down. It moved upward and created a clear, attractive high. That high is called major inducement. Inducement means the market is encouraging traders to enter positions in the wrong place. In the chart, this strong pullback high attracted breakout buyers who thought price would continue upward. At the same time, many sellers placed their stop losses above that high. This creates liquidity. Smart money needs liquidity to execute large orders. So, before the real drop, price moves toward these obvious highs to collect those stop losses. That is why it is called major inducement. It is major because many traders are focused on that level. For beginners, understand this. If a level looks too obvious, it often becomes a trap. Major inducement builds liquidity before the real move begins. At the bottom of the chart, you can see equal lows. These equal lows are called sell-side liquidity. Sell-side liquidity is the collection of stop losses placed below recent lows. Many traders who bought earlier place their stop loss under those lows to protect their trades. Some breakout sellers also place sell orders below that level, expecting a strong drop. All these orders create a pool of liquidity. Smart money targets these areas because large orders need liquidity to be executed. In the chart, price first moved upward to grab buy-side liquidity. After that, it dropped aggressively and swept the equal lows. That sweep collected all the stop losses sitting below. For beginners, remember this: equal lows are not just support. They are often targets. Sell-side liquidity is fuel for the next big move. The sell trade did not start at the bottom. It started at the right location with confirmation. First, the market changed character and broke structure, showing sellers were gaining control. Then, price pulled back into a strong point of interest where selling pressure began before. This is where we prepare, not where we enter blindly. Next, on the lower time frame, price stopped making higher highs and broke below a recent higher low. That lower time frame change of character is the entry signal. This tells us the pullback is likely finished. The sell trade is executed after that confirmation, not before. Stop loss is placed above the recent swing high inside the zone. Target is set below the equal lows where sell-side liquidity is resting. For beginners, remember this: direction from higher time frame, entry from lower time frame, patience before execution.